Alibaba's Qwen team has introduced Qwen-VLo, a unified multimodal model that integrates vision and language capabilities for both understanding and generation tasks. Unlike its predecessor Qwen-VL, which focused primarily on interpretation, Qwen-VLo extends functionality to high-resolution image generation and editing. It supports concept-to-polish workflows where users can turn sketches or text prompts into detailed visuals, enabling designers, marketers, and educators to build creative outputs without manual design tools. The model also enables progressive scene construction, offering step-by-step control for complex visual compositions. Qwen-VLo features multilingual support and natural language-based editing, making it suitable for global content generation and localization tasks. Its ability to understand and generate across modalities in multiple languages positions it as a versatile tool for e-commerce, content creation, education, and digital marketing. By combining multimodal understanding and generative capabilities in a single framework, Qwen-VLo enhances productivity and reduces the need for separate tools, pushing forward the usability of large multimodal models in real-world creative applications. Let's watch a demo.
Qwen image generation. We'll start in QuenChat with a simple creative prompt: draw a capybara riding a bike. And just like that, Qwen-VLo generates a fantastic image. Look at that, a happy capybara on its very own bicycle. But what if we want a different feel? Let's ask it to change the style. Our next command is become colored pencil art style. Incredible! It keeps the entire composition but instantly transforms the image into a beautiful colored pencil drawing. Now, let's personalize it. We can add text directly. We'll prompt it to add text title Qwen-VLo on this picture. And there's the text. Notice how it cleverly integrates the title right onto the image, following the contours of the subject. It looks fantastic. Let's add one final touch to make it a little more festive. The prompt is simple: add some balloons on this picture. And there they are! The balloons are added perfectly into the background. From a simple sentence to a fully customized piece of art, all through a natural conversation. We've gone from a basic prompt to a detailed, stylized illustration through a series of simple conversational commands.